What's going on? We're here with the division draw. Breaking noon Eastern. Little pre-opening day appetizer. 10:07 a.m. Central Time. Same dice roll for both. To the owners first. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Money shot. Kirby on top. Rick on bottom. Going 9. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Money shot. NL East. Going to Kirby. NL Central. Going to Rick Hughes. Tyler, you got AL Central again. Cam, AL West. James Adams, AL East. Patrick, NL West. There we have it. Appreciate it. Be about 50 minutes. We'll kick this off. 10:09.